if you have a frequency distribution, like the one at the bottom of page 24, the same one we saw, I think it was last time, when we were talking about coming up with histograms and finding class midpoints and all that. We want to find the mean price of these houses, ones we decided weren't in this county because they're all fairly inexpensive. And we have houses in the $80,000 range up to $265.9 thousand. What were the prices of these houses? Let me ask you a different question. How many houses are in this table? 32, 22, 28? How are we getting that number?
We added up all the frequency.
Add up all the frequencies? The frequencies should add up to 28. So there's 28 houses represented in this table. So if I wanted to find the mean of those 28 houses, what would I need to do? I would need to know the price of each house, add up those 28 numbers and divide by 28. Do I know the exact price of each house? I'm out of luck. See the problem? I don't have 28 house prices. How the heck am I supposed to find the mean? What'd you say? So we're going to use the midpoint. We're going to assume that every single house was the midpoint of its class. So we found the midpoints last time. I'm not going to create them all over again. I'm just going to list them. If someone could flip back to that page to help me, that'd be nice. I'm going to list the midpoints. Put it here. We have 2 minutes. I got this. The midpoints were like 74.45, something like that. I'm guessing. Is that it? 79.45? What is it? 0.95? I'm getting my boundaries and my midpoints mixed up. Tell me again, Crystal. Midpoints. Flip back to where you see the same table. Thank you. What's the next one? Keep going. You didn't write the rest of them down?
No, I just started doing
Want the midpoint or the value?
Midpoints.
Those are the value.
Oh, good thing we double checked. Midpoints. It's all right.
It's at 95.45.
95.45?
126.45. 157.45.
Keep going.
188.45. 219.45. 250.45.
Okay. You good now, Crystal?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just looked at the right section.
That's all right. So those are our midpoints. So we're going to assume those 2 houses in the first class, we're going to assume that both of them were 95.45. So one of them was 95.45 and the next one was 95.45. And then I'm going to assume that those next 5 houses in the next class, the 5, I'm going to assume there were 5 that were this price. So I have 2 of these, I have 5 of those, I have 7 of these. So then I would actually have 28 numbers. I don't want to list all 28 of them, so the shortcut is, I know we're out of time, hang on 1 second. The shortcut is to say, I'm going to multiply this by 2. I'm going to multiply this by 5. I'm multiplying by the frequencies. I have to make sure I put the right frequencies in here. Multiplying all these. Because that's essentially adding up 2 of these, adding 5 of those, adding 7 of these. I'm going to multiply all those. I'm going to add them all up. And then what? Divide by 28, because there's actually 28 numbers here. Then divide by 28. Multiply by your frequencies, get all those answers. It's time consuming and we're out of time. Add them all up, divide by 28. When I see you next time we learn our calculators, I'll show you how to do it in a lot less time.